Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Giri sir.
Mr. Kishore. Hi.
Good evening, sir.
Good morning.
Yeah,
Yes.
hi. Yeah.
Hi.
So this session is mainly to capture your journey experience, especially
Okay.
with me and AlgoMeTech. So I can just give me a very few high-level glimpses, like how did you start and how was the experience working with. I think systems were developed for multiple brokers, and how was your experience? If you have any prior experience with others, have you worked with any other developers also? You can share all your experience with us.
Okay. I came to know about this AlgoMeTech website, searching on the web. So previously, I used to take trades on. So after some time, their support was completely lost. They're not responding to other my issues.
Mostly,
Yes.
you'll not have a support on the call, right? I think.
Yeah, I did not getting support from the for any issues. Also, I was not getting any support, and they were not even aware of the government orders like that. What we call that IP, static IP.
Static AV. Okay.
Yeah,
Static AV. Okay, related to static AV.
but here also they were not aware of the government rules, and they were very
Okay.
uh,
Okay.
delaying
So
about.
recently, I think after two
Yes,
postpones, two postponements, starting from April 1st, 2026, it is effective with all the brokers.
yes,
I think, yeah, most of the developers,
yes. They were not even they are not even aware of the basic rules. So I stopped trading with them. So I
right.
came to know about algorithm while searching on web. I
Yes,
think
mostly after the static IP, mostly brokers are expecting to whitelist and you may get a new set of API keys. So,
yes,
yeah, most of the people were not very aware of these new
yes,
changes. Yeah.
yeah,
So, can you introduce about yourself, sir, in just one or two lines, just to
yeah.
know your profession
I'm,
or business?
I'm Dr. I'm a pediatrician.
Okay.
I'm also a professor at medical college.
Yes. And you
I
are close to Hyderabad, right, sir? You belong.
I stay in Karimnagar, so close to Hyderabad. So
Okay.
because of my busy schedule, I can't take trades personally. So I'm
Absolutely. I know
searching
that.
for a
I know that. Yeah.
yeah, person who can satisfy my needs for this automated trading. So I
Yes.
came across AlgoMeTech. And right from the beginning, Mr. Kishore was very helpful.
Thank you. Thank you.
Understood my needs. So after a couple of exchanges of information and whatever I wanted, he prepared a bot for me. Uh, there were some hitches, but that's normal in any project.
Yes,
So,
sir. Yes. I think
so
that is because of the initial broker what we were
yes, yes,
working with. After that, we have changed the
yes.
broker.
Initially, we were trying with
Yes. I
uh,
don't want to mention the name because uh,
yeah, okay. We
so
were
let's say it like a popular broker, right? So
okay.
one of the popular broker we worked with, but
No problem.
we had some challenges in fetching some of the data, so we have switched to another popular broker.
Yes.
Now I think it is pretty smooth.
Now it's fine. Now the what you are because my logic is it's almost like a high frequency trading system.
1 second time frame. Yours is a one
Yeah,
second
it's
time
one
frame.
second time
Yes.
frame. It's working very fine.
Yeah, it's instant, right? There's no any lag.
There
Even
is
the
no
other
delays.
updates. Yes.
Yeah, everything is working fine.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Basically, don't have a right now. I don't have any complaints with whatever the project has been completed.
The final version that you are having,
Yeah,
right?
final version because of that. For the first broker, their platform was no, in spite of their claims, the platform was not so up to date with the
It's not
technology.
live. We're not getting a live updates.
Yes.
Even for the open positions, like we were
Yeah.
struggling to close
So
that position. It was considering like there is no
now,
open buy.
yeah,
So you might
we
get
lost. We lost almost 2 or 3 months.
at least a month. We were
Yes,
struggling to
at least 1 month we are
correct
completely.
the issues. Yes, within that.
But now with the new broker, there are no issues. The bot is working very fine. It's taking it trades instantly,
Perfect.
exiting. So my logic and my needs are satisfied.
completely fulfilled. I think if you remember in the beginning only, I've suggested you this particular broker if you are going for algo trading. A
Yes, yes,
couple of
yes,
three, four brokers I've suggested, but
yes, yes.
you were more already having a portfolio
Yeah,
in that broker, maybe.
because of because of that claim that there's some low brokerage, I was tempted to go with them.
Yeah,
But
yes, yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Would you like to bring your application and just show us a few important features or what you like the most? You can just touch upon those important things.
yeah, this is my application.
Can you
Right
share
now,
your screen, sir? Can you share your screen?
how to do that?
Okay. You have a video icon, right, in the bottom. Just
Pardon?
next to that, share screen. I think you used to share in Ultra Viewer usually. So you have to click inside that box and click on that screen. Only then it will enable you to share.
No, because I'm clicking on the share screen button, but no pop-up is coming.
No, it will share automatically.
Yeah, I'm clicking on it repeatedly. Nothing is happening.
Okay. Or else, can I share and log into your VPS?
Yeah,
Okay. 1 second. So it is 142, right? At the last.
yeah. Are you able to connect?
Yeah, I can share it. I usually do this, no? Let me know if you're able to see my screen.
Yes.
Yes, Agiri sir. So I think you have still not yet cleaned, organized well your VPS, right? And you have kept your Nifty, Bank Nifty outside the folder, right? This is the latest files, right?
Just for easy access, I keep the shortcut.
Okay. So which one you had run today? This one or inside the folder?
51.
This one, right?
Nifty, yes, 21.
Okay. So since you are not able to share the screen, I am just giving you a walkthrough on your application. So this is your exe,
Yes.
and once you double click, application will launch in few seconds. So today, had you run it, sir, in the live markets?
Yeah, today I ran it. It was working fine.
Okay, all right. So then we should be getting the orders also
Yeah, yeah.
in the order book. Let's see. Yes. So yes, sir. So this is the latest version. Yeah. So in this version, you don't need to fill any broker details. Also, you don't need to even manually upload your
Yes.
credentials.
It's an auto connect.
So once you click connect, it will verify your FIS connection and it will show a message, connected message. And you just have to click connect. So everything is automatically saved.
It will connect eventually. Usually it won't take this much time, but yeah, connected.
I think, yeah. So this is connected. So in the live market, you will see a 1 second chart with the EMA plots with the two EMA crossing. And then you wanted strategy settings where you want to dynamically control everything, right, sir?
Yeah, yeah.
So this particular software will only work with Nifty, and you have other software where it is dedicatedly built for
Fine.
Bank Nifty. So the system automatically fetches the expiry dates from the broker and lists down here so that you can select here, and lot size also fetched automatically displayed here. You can multiply your lots just by using this option, and you wanted to custom enter your both of the EMA values, right, sir?
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
And, I think you're using this particular values, and you wanted a start time, end time, and auto square of time. And right now you have two modes, manual and ATM. Manual means you will enter the strikes. Auto means from the index, current index, it automatically fetches the current ATM, and based on the depth you keep here, for example, you keep 2 and let's say 2, then it will automatically place ATM plus two call option, ATM plus two put option, right?
Yeah.
And then you wanted a leg level, target and stop loss in points as well as in rupees. And
Yeah.
you have a concept of cycle. I'm not getting into the logic of it, but each cycle completes. Then at a cycle level, you have a SLN targets. And at the intraday level, if you are hitting any of these limits, SLR target, you want to completely halt the system. And on the top, you have a small dashboard for leg, cycle, and day level, where it in live shows you the leg level P&L, cycle level P&L, and the day level total MTM. I think this is the value from your fires.
Yeah. It is today's empty.
Yeah, I think right now it is minus 400 something. And then you wanted order book. I think these are the orders which you executed today.
Yes.
Right. So it is showing in different colors for put options, and for call options, buy sell, you want it in a green color. So basically, you wanted to easily identify
Yes.
the set of orders so that you can calculate the P&L for pair each position, right? And then you wanted the position screen. Yeah. So this is particularly made for you, right, sir? Start.
Yes.
You wanted on the top, but not usually we keep it in the strategy to start and stop the systems. But eventually we have moved it on the top for the easy monitoring and operations of the dashboard. So once you start, the strategy starts and you can stop. And then you wanted separate button where you click this button and it stops the strategy, and also any open positions are auto squared off. I mean, squared off at that instance when you are clicking it.
Yeah.
Right, sir?
Yes. Yes.
And this is another feature that you are asking at the recent times. If you click this, the strategy will stop, positions will square off, also the application will stop by itself, close it
Yes.
by itself. And this is again a unique feature. You wanted to square off only nifty positions.
Yes.
Suppose you have some other positions in your net positions. You wanted to only square off nifty positions. This is again uniquely done only for you. And then coming to chart, right now you're seeing only, I think it's not plotting the live values. Markets are closed.
Plots only in the live market.
Yes. And then you wanted something like, if you don't want to see the chart, you can simply minimize it and directly you can concentrate on your order book or strategy settings, etc. And if you want to parallelly see with a small screen size for the chart, you can also adjust it like this. I think these are all not something which everybody asks. I think this is exclusively for you. Some of these things are done. Right, sir. I think you have to give the walkthrough, but since you're not able to share, I'm giving it. Yeah. Yes, Gary, sir. So anything else you would like to share in this experience or these months that we were working? Anything that you would like to highlight?
Yeah, I think Mr. Kishore's understanding of the client's needs is very good. He gets to the point very easily.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
So
Thank you, sir.
that's very important because to avoid any communication gaps, and it's very useful.
Yes, sir. You see, now if somebody books a session and come for the requirement walkthrough, now we are recording the sessions. All these were not there a few years before. So eventually, as we are having confusions between the customers and us, right? Since I work on multiple projects, some of the points I can also forget, right? So that is the reason why we are recording the session, and also the entire quotation and the scope of work and what is a core logic flow, the flow, everything is documented and shared with the client so that he gets enough time to review and see everything clearly. If he wants to add anything, change certain logics, etc., he can have enough time to modify and confirm the project after a thorough review. So all these I have also learned a lot of things from people like you also, sir. I have to mention this definitely before closing this. I think you're also very much cool person. You're also very holding a lot of patience, and you are also very flexible to connect in the night or even in the weekends also. So I have to mention that clearly explaining the requirement, that was really helpful for me also. That teaches me also, actually. I also learn from my clients. Yeah. Yes, sir. So
Yeah, overall, I mean, the journey with AlgoMeTech is quite happy.
thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
For the
Any
pension.
experiences that I didn't ask this question earlier? Have you tried working with any other people?
Yeah, before coming to AlgoMeTech, like I said, I used to work with one other automated trading system. So after some time, their support stopped completely.
Okay.
And
No, apart
I
from
went,
the one platform that you
yeah,
mentioned, any other
apart from that, I
developers?
also tried something in another automated trading platform. In fact, I paid them. They made me a product for their post deployment support was zero.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So abandoned the product and while searching on the web, yeah, I came across your website, and from then on, it was quite good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks for giving me also a very good experience. I think you are my one of the best clients that I worked for, having a lot of patience and holding the cool nature almost all the times. I think only one time I was not having proper food and continuously working. I was little hesitant or something. Only one time. I want to apologize for that. If you felt bad for that. And rest assured, we will continue our journey. I think we have some more requirements to discuss. I think thanks for sharing these experiences.
Yeah,
Yeah. Thank you, sir. So can we end this session? I'll stop this recording, and
okay.
again we will rejoin. And can we discuss now or we'll discuss in the night, sir? The other
Yeah,
thing.
we discuss now. I'm free now.
Okay, we'll discuss now, sir. I'll stop this recording. Okay.
I'm also stopping.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Please rejoin in 1 minute.